What is up, Yarn Besties? I am the Crafty Crocheter, and if you want to become a Yarn Bestie, click the subscribe button so you get access to more content. And if you like what you see in this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos become released. Don't forget to hype this video, share this video, and recommend this channel to all your family and friends. Alright, so today is the day. I've actually finished the scarf I was working on these past 2 weeks as part of my Whipping It on Wednesday series. And the scarf that I am referring to is the Caron Calico Flowers crochet scarf. Now, in my one video, in the previous episode, I did include the link for the pattern in the description so you can click on it and follow along if you chose to do so. So I'm going to show you what the scarf looks like, and I am quite proud of how this came out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. So the only thing I could have changed about it was maybe the yarn color, because it kind of blended itself. It wasn't like the actual yarn that they recommended, which was the Calico Flowers yarn, which is more of a rainbow effect. But I am still proud of how this came out. So if I choose to do another one, I will get another type of color of yarn. So here's what it looks like. And this is slightly large. This is about tall as I am, and I am 5'11", so this may be loosely about 72 inches. And then here is what it looks like all the way around. And there's the edging and the border. And this scarf is I love the way it came out. What do y'all think? And I did get some positive feedback on this scarf that people were wanting the pattern, and I mentioned and I responded saying that the pattern was included in the video, in a previous video for this series. But would anyone be interested in an actual video tutorial for this project? Because I think a lot of people would benefit from that, because some people learn through visual rather than reading a pattern. So let me know if you would like the pattern as a video for this. I mean, again, I just love how this came out. Like I said, the only thing I would change about it would be the color, because it's kind of blends together a little bit. Like you got the light green, and you got some of the darker green, and back to lighter green again. So again, I like how it came out. So it's a nice little cool lacy scarf if you want to wear it during like the spring months or maybe fall months. And I bet if you used a lighter yarn, you could probably do this as a summer thing too. But again, I like the way it came out. So let me know in the comments below if you want a video tutorial for this, or just let me know in the comments what you think of the scarf. And if anyone was working on this as a crochet along, did you encounter any problems or issues with the pattern? And if so, let me know and I'll gladly assist. So again, this scarf turned out great. And I have to think of a new project for the next episode of Whipping It on Wednesdays with the Crafty Crocheter. Hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn and create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Be there for one another. Help each other out. Be kind to one another. Pay it forward if possible. Love yourself. Be true to yourself. But don't let anyone deter you from your path. And stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important. And again, if you like what you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.